In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks and adjust your account settings for an optimal experience. Let's dive right in, starting with accessing QuickBooks itself. First, if you're not already logged into QuickBooks, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. It's just a matter of logging into your account in the usual way, using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. This is where all the magic starts. Now that you're on the home page, let's proceed to identify and utilize the highlight feature. The highlight option is typically a useful tool when you're trying to get a better grasp of important areas within QuickBooks. You might not see highlight as a literal button labeled that way, but once you move your cursor, you'll notice subtle changes in the interface that essentially highlight various sections as you hover over them. These changes help guide you toward actions you might want to take next. Once you've got the hang of navigating via highlights, your next step is to adjust your account and settings. For this part, keep an eye out for a gear icon. Clicking on it will give you access to Account and Settings. This section is crucial for tailoring your QuickBooks experience. Once the Account and Settings menu is open, you should see various tabs corresponding to different aspects of your account, such as company info, billing, and subscriptions. It's designed to ensure you have everything exactly how you need it for your business or personal financial dealings. As you explore the account and settings, remember that this is where you can really make QuickBooks work for you. Adjust your company's settings to reflect the most up-to-date information. It might include changing your contact details, configuring your billing preferences, or updating your subscription plan. Each tweak you make here can have significant benefits in how you interact with QuickBooks and manage your financial information. Understanding how to use these settings effectively can mean a smoother workflow and more personalized user experience. It's always good practice to periodically revisit the account and settings to ensure everything remains accurate and up to date. By routinely managing these settings, you're not just passively using QuickBooks, you're actively optimizing it for your needs. In summary, logging into QuickBooks and using the highlight feature can greatly assist in navigating your interface with confidence. Then, by accessing the account and settings, you gain the power to customize your QuickBooks experience to meet your specific requirements. Keep these steps in mind each time you sit down to work with QuickBooks, and you'll surely find yourself navigating with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in making the most out of your QuickBooks experience.